Hello and welcome. One of the features that ChatGPT has made available is deep research. And in many cases, deep research is going to be limited by the level of account that you have. Higher levels of access to features such as deep research and operator exist at the higher level of the plan inside of ChatGPT. And so by doing deep research on a specific topic or for a specific prompt, you'll have multiple processes running at the same time in order to bring back and retrieve the research that you are requesting. There are other platforms that have deep research available. And again, depending on what level of account you have, you can use your deep research queries in order to look for more in-depth analysis. And so what we will do here is we will enter our prompt. We will then ask for deep research. And then what will happen is ChatGPT will suggest that you provide as many details as you can. Now, for the sake of this video, we're not going to provide the additional details that ChatGPT is requesting. We're going to start the deep research query. We're going to click enter. And what happens then is that ChatGPT will come back and it will ask you for some clarifying information in order to provide you with the deep research. So in this particular case, we will be specific in the way that we answer the questions. We will copy the questions. We'll place the questions in the dialog box, and we will then seek to answer those questions. We will be specific in answering the questions. And once we do that, we can then click Start. We will then allow ChatGPT to do the research. And typically what you'll see in this process is that ChatGPT will state it is starting the research. This is not an instantaneous process. ChatGPT will need time in order to execute what your command is. We're going to stop the video at this point, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to complete its deep research. The process does have multiple stages, and as an agent search, it's evaluating its processes, evaluating the sources, and then retrieving the information and synthesizing at the same time. So what you're experiencing is a more advanced way of working with the AI and allowing it to do some of the steps that you might do if you were iterating with it. And the process is now completed at about 10 minutes. Just as you can with any of the content in ChatGPT, you can then copy your deep research and place it inside of your favorite word processing document. One of the things you'll notice is that all of your resources are going to be available by highlighting as you scroll back through, so you will know where all of the information came from in your deep research. So you can do a deeper form of research. You can also have all the citations from that research within your final document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.